the structure is so big and grand, and there are thousands and thousands of people, and then you come in and you just become part of that whole. My name is Sumitra Karthikeyan. I currently am the global head of strategy for CIB at JPMorgan Chase. What was very impressive for me all these years, and I saw that firsthand today as well, is no human is small or big, strong or weak. Everyone's equal, but the power magnifies when you're together, because individually, and lots of people came and spoke about their stories today, individually you may feel you're not capable of something, or that you face challenges that you may not be able to overcome yourself. Coming together in a place like this and seeing so many people who have come through the same journey and feel that sense of community, I think gives you groundedness that's very, very important.